If you bought $100 of Bitcoin in 2013, then what? It was actually April 2013. I was sitting in a college dorm room, half listening to a roommate talk about this magic internet money called Bitcoin. It's like digital gold, he said, grinding. Whatever, I shrugged. It's $100 now. Probably a scam. That night, I spent $100 on pizza and drinks. The same $100, if I had bought Bitcoin, would be worth over 7 million today. No tech job, no lottery, just patience. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, not a financial advice. Do your own research. Let's break it down. In April 2013, Bitcoin was roughly $100 per Bitcoin. In 2021, Bitcoin peaked at nearly $69,000. In 2025, this year, it's projected to hit $150,000 plus dollars and possibly beyond. The numbers tell a story, but it's not just about money. It's about timing, vision, and regret. We have all had that moment. The stock we didn't buy, the domain name we didn't register, the opportunity we left. Bitcoin is the ultimate what if. Then versus now. It's not too late, but it won't wait. You might be thinking, well, I missed the boat, but here is the truth. Bitcoin is not just a price. It's a revolution. In 2013, people laugh at it. In 2023, governments regulate it. In 2025, institutions invest in it. In 2030, it might be the backbone of global value. You are still early if you act with vision. Because one day, we'll say, imagine if you had just put $100 into Bitcoin in 2025. The lessons? It's not about regret. It's about readiness. Bitcoin teaches a timeless truth. Opportunity look like risk until they are obvious in hindsight. You can go back to 2013, but 2025 is happening right now. Will you be the person who acted or the one who wished they did? Because the best time to buy Bitcoin was 2013. The second best time is now. Be a crypto stoic, no emotion, only strategy. Thank you for watching.